Political violence erupts in Glenview South as opposition Marera and Ratiwa, the houses and vehicles bombed towards the 12 April 2025 by-election. Sana vinamasvikobudanyirwa panapa zvinzi aiwa ma-opposition candidates vanapoonekwa kunzi aiwa imba pamwe chete aiwa nemamota vehicles they've been bombed. Aiwa patoona kuti ma-by-elections ava kusvika anobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa namubudanyirwa muchinzi Glenview South was robbed by political violence as supporters of Tunderai Chikaredza became targets of a heinous attack yesterday, Easter night, the 5th April 2025. The homes and vehicles of prominent opposition members, Gaudensia Marera and Shadrach Ratewa, were bombed by unidentified assailants, presumed to be politically motivated adversaries. The violence comes in a wake of a by-election scheduled for April 12, 2025, following the untimely passing of the Honorable Glenmore Akata. This political vacuum has escalated tensions in the area, making it a hotbed for political rivals. Ward 23 Councillor Gaudensia Marera, residing at house number 337 in Glenview 1 Extension, was devastated to discover that his two vehicles, an X-Trail and a Honda Fit, were among the casualties of the attack. Similarly, his counterpart, Shadrach Ratewa, living at 737 Rechimurenga in Glenview 4 Extension, found his home severely damaged. Tomashikwanani kaubaitira panapa atona kuti aiwa these opposition members vanoonekwa kunzi aiwa vo involvwa mu political violence. Vodze mafungiro enyu motikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Apina comment section medu mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.